Hey guys, my name is Lilith, and welcome to the actual first episode of Lamiho, the Lost Island Devlog. I said episode 1 last time, but I changed it because I didn't really feel like I did enough to make it count as a devlog. Anyway, let's actually do some devlogging. I promised last episode that we are going to do some spells, but before that, how about some more inventory? That's pretty cool. Oh, you can close it as well? Very nice. What else? Oh, animations? Animations, I guess? Maybe I should work more on that. Oh, by the way, I watched Lost Relic Games' Escape Unity Animator Hell. Amazing video that taught me I don't have to use the disgusting animator. Go watch it. Do what he does, please. Save yourself from hell. So let's start making the spells like I promised last episode. First, fire. But now, better, because I actually wanted to put it in my game. So I made the animations for the fire and the card. Very good. We code and set it all up. Now the rest is easy. Just pick up the card and... What the fuck? Dude, he's spinning. Okay. Just pick up the card and... Where are you going? There we go. It works. Very cool. Now, at this point, I have been working on other projects. I was learning how to make websites, and I'm working on another video, and the more I thought about it, the more I realized that the system I have currently in place for the inventory is not going to work long term, since I want to add actual items as well. Maybe even a crafting system. So I'll have to completely rework it. You know what? No, I won't do it now. I'll deal with this later. Just add a spellbook and a normal inventory system to the massive to-do list. So, after I made the fire spell, I died for a week, had an extreme headache, and was in bed for the whole time. Then came Christmas, so I had to buy presents, but I also wanted to chill for a bit, so production of this game came to a halt. But then, more powerful than ever, I started working on another spell, the Giant Spiky Stone. Maybe I should work on the name more. Surprisingly, nothing really went wrong with this one. Now, I realized that spells are pretty useless without anything to use them on, but I didn't want to create complex AI yet, so I just made a dummy. Since I wanted to keep everything organized and easy to use, I decided to turn enemies and spells into scriptable objects. These scriptable objects will hold how much attack the spell does, how much mana costs, etc, etc. And I sure love to use the same tutorial for the 10,000th time because I can't remember how to do this. The practice video, Scriptable Objects in Unity, is the tutorial I am talking about, so let's watch it for the millionth time. Okay, now we got scriptable objects. This probably won't be much to most of you, but just know that this makes it easier for me to make new spells and enemies. The thing is though, that my system of making spells isn't made on top of the scriptable objects, so I'll have to rework it. In terms of spells, I was thinking of what else I should add, and well, there's no way to defend yourself when you're out of mana. I mean, you can't run out of mana yet because it's not in the game yet. But if you would run out of mana, if it was there, then you can't really defend yourself. And I'm planning on fixing that with a melee attack. I just made a really quick slice sprite, put a hitbox on it, and thought that was good enough. Now, I still feel pretty lost with this game. There are many things I want to do with it, and I don't know where to start or end. I feel like I'm not really going anywhere. My fairly depressing monologue aside though, I'm going to stop the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps me out. And that's going to be it from me. I hope you can join me next time. Bye.